So I think that's roughly $70,500 on just COVID photography. This is the government, and they won't stop spying on us there, will they? Health Canada blew through $70,000 on COVID photography. The ministry blew $35,000 for pictures of people for the national COVID-19 vaccine campaign and another $35,000 plus for COVID social media images. Now, that's not the worst thing I found out. Bureaucrats also paid for $14,500 in satellite imagery and drone footage for something called Project Hummingbird. Now, I found the video made with all that money, and it had 80 views when I stumbled across it. Here's why this is troubling. We know that Health Canada was revealed to be covertly monitoring the cell phone location data of 30 million devices during COVID-19, unbeknownst to the users. Project Hummingbird uses high-definition drones to monitor pot fields, or so they say. Here's the project description on the government website. Project Hummingbird, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a drone, of course. How much did they pay somebody to write that cutesy headline? The fastest recorded hummingbird can beat its wings up to 80 times per second. However, it's not humanly possible to move so quickly and cover extensive ground on foot. Project Hummingbird is exploring the option of using drones and unmanned aerial technology to conduct outdoor inspections with a current focus on cannabis fields. Did you get that? A current focus on cannabis fields. However, this is the government, and they won't stop spying on us there, will they? Now let's go through some of these other Health Canada photography expenses together, which were made available thanks to an order paper question posed by Conservative MP Marilyn Gladu. We can see there are procurement for images for the cannabis monitoring pilot project, Project Hummingbird, $3,000. A photographer for headshots for award recipients, $1,100. More headshots, $225. And more headshots, $225. Procurement of images using unmanned aerial vehicles, so this is drone footage, $1,500. Once again, this is for Project Hummingbird, the pot spying operation. Now we've got the photography of people to support the public education campaign for the COVID-19 pandemic and vaccination rollout, $35,375 over 84 days. Then it looks like another nearly $13,000 for drone footage for Project Hummingbird. Then for Instagram, we've got nearly $3,000 worth of photos depicting physical activity, healthy eating, and naloxone kits. Then we've got more drone footage, field test remote sensing image technology, coming to nearly $8,000. Then cannabis crop monitoring at $19,500. This is not monitoring that is part of Project Hummingbird, but it does what Project Hummingbird is alleged to do. We've got more photography expenses. Photography in various settings like a home, retail store, grocery store, gym, and restaurants, you guessed it, to support COVID-19 social media communications. This is another $35,200. So I think that's roughly $70,500 on just COVID photography. And we can see here more drone footage for something called ortho mosaic production. I bet you feel safer and healthier already. For Rebel News, I'm Sheila Gunn Reid. Rebel News takes absolutely no money from Justin Trudeau. It's the best way for us to preserve our independence, but because of that, we rely on the support of you at home if you'd like to help support our independent access to information, investigations. Please visit rebelinvestigates.com.